Your instructions. Wiring, screws, turn signal, and the other turn signal. So we had to use a lot more than what was suggested because we had to go with the red clips, the red clamps. We use this to close down the red clamps, and we use a crumple for the splice connects. The screwdriver for the new screws, so that way we don't have to use the T10 anymore. Since the package only came with 4, we bought another pack of this. I'm gonna use the T10 on the light. There we go. There's just 2 screws. Give the 2 screws. Take it out. You're just gonna want to twist it off and pull off the cover. Okay. So there's 2 clips on the side, and you're just gonna want to push it in. Then you want to unplug it. We're connecting the red wire with the red turn signal wire. Now we're gonna crimple both sides and give it a nice little tug test.
See how it goes in? You see right there? Yeah. Then you put the other wire in there.
We're gonna use pliers to pinch it. On the installation instructions, it says yellow to the right and red in the middle. But for us, the way this Jeep was wired, we had to do red to the white, which is all the way to the right, and then yellow to the middle, which is black and yellow, and then all the way to the left is double black. We're going to use electrical tape to cover the connector. We covered this with electrical tape so there's no water or dirt getting inside the connection. So we're exchanging the T8s for Phillips, and they're nice and black. This is way better, and you don't gotta go looking for the T10. This is with the daylight on. The daylight on is with the white, and then the flashers, the hazards are on. They're really bright, but it's really hard to see right now at night. I'll show you guys in the day as well. But they're really bright lights, and they look way better than the basic bulbs that were kind of dim and dark. Like on the side right here, they were kind of like that, but as just the turn signal. There was no white. So this is definitely brighter, so that way people can see when you're turning. So this is what they look like in the daytime. They're nice and bright still. You can see them perfectly clear. And the yellow on the inside is what's flashing, if you can't tell.